Hi, everybody. This is Jerry Gerritsen, Tabea Law. Today, we're going to talk about green cards and what's the best and fastest green card to get. And we're going to just hang loose. You want to make sure you stay through this whole lesson here, this whole spiel about green cards, and don't skip ahead. Don't cut off, because you're going to have really important stuff all the way through, and especially at the end. Okay, so we'll see you guys on the other side. Hello, my name is Jerry Gerritsen, Tabea Law. Okay, so today we're going to talk about what is the best and fastest green card. All right, and so I'm going to go fast. You're going to have to listen fast, and we'll get you the information that you need. Before we do that, let me be your partner, your guide to the world of immigration. And if you want to subscribe, please go ahead and do that now. You can like me if you'd like this video, and also make sure you hit that little bell, the notifications, so that you can get notified of future and awesome videos like this. Okay. All right. The green card. What is a green card? Well, the official name is a legal permanent resident, LPR. Okay. That means that an immigrant can come here and stay permanently. All right. It's not a citizenship. It's one step below citizenship. Is there just one kind of green card? No, there's several kind of green cards. The green card that we're talking about today that you're going to want to get, if at all possible, is the immediate family green card. This is the best, easiest, fastest way to get a green card. Now, let me just preface that by saying this. It has to be legal. It has to be right. You have to play by the rules. Okay. The only reason you get married because you love that person and you're going to spend the rest of your life with them. That's your intent. It has nothing to do with immigration. You're not getting married just so you can get a green card. That's fraudulent. That's wrong. Don't do that. Okay? So, if you are in a situation where you got married and it was a U.S. citizen or a person that has a legal permanent resident, a green card themselves, then you qualify as an immediate relative. You qualify for a green card. Let me take that back, okay? It has to be a United States citizen for you to get for you to go the easiest route and the fastest route, which is the immediate relative. Okay. Not only a person that you married, but if you have a parent and that's a U.S. citizen, then you can get your green card. If you are a child that's under 21. Okay. If you and unmarried. All right. Same thing. Same rules as spouse. Immediate relative. You just go ahead and now, if you're not in the country, you're going to consular process, which means that you'll fill out the paperwork, the I-130, and you'll do the DS-260, and you go to a local consulate wherever you live, and then you'll do your interview and come over. Right now, it's between 9 months and a year. Okay. If you're in a country and you have legal status, then you can adjust your status. That's how that works. You fill out your I-130, your I-485. If you want to work before you get your green card, then you do your I-765. If you want to travel before you get your green card, once you get your green card, you don't have to worry about those things because they're covered. You can travel and you can work. But there's a wait time, again, 9 months to a year. So if you want to travel within that time, which I don't recommend, I recommend once you file your I-485 for your green card, stay in this country. Don't go anywhere, all right? But if there's an emergency, you have to leave somewhere, then that's going to be your I-131. All right. That's your travel documents. Okay. So that's immediate relative. And also it's the parent and the child, right? So the parent, okay, the legal or the U.S. citizen has to be 18 or over. If they're 18, then they can sponsor their parents. That's immediate relative. That is the best and fastest way to get that's the best green card, the fastest green card, because you get it within the 9 to 12 months. Now, there are other green cards, right? There's employment-based, there's diversity-based, there's asylum, okay? But they're not as easy as this. So the easiest, the fastest is going to be your immediate relative. Now, there are other categories in the family-based. There's the category 1, 2, 3, and 4. F1, F2, F3, F4. F1 is the category for This is where you have the U.S. citizen, and then you have the child. I'm sorry, the son or daughter that's over 21. Okay, they're not a child no more, but they can still get a green card through the parent. However, now you got to go to the visa bulletin and see if there's a wait time. And it depends what country you come from. If you come from China or Mexico, Philippines, generally there's a long wait time. It could be up to 15, 20 years sometimes before you can file your I-485 and get your green card. That's why the immediate relative is the best and fastest way. Okay. F2, then you're getting into the legal permanent resident. They can sponsor, right? But again, you have to deal with the visa bulletin. F3, you're dealing with a son or daughter over 21 and married. Okay, same thing. You go to the visa bulletin, you see what their wait times are, and that's a whole different subject. And then, of course, the F4 is for siblings, brother or sister. A brother and sister, United States citizen, not LPR, can sponsor you. Okay, a brother and sister, a sibling. All right, that's the F4 category. Usually, those are really long. Okay, sometimes they're current, sometimes they're good. But if you're from one of those countries, or even just any country, it could be a longer wait. All right. Okay, so that's it for today. Let me remind you, please go ahead and like this video if you do like it. Subscribe, and also hit that little bell for notifications. All right, thank you so much, and you guys have a great day.